Hello. Today, not sure what days is going up. I am on a roll today. We have the 2022 Summer Beauty Boxes. Walmart. I don't know why I get two. I actually paid for two. Not sure how that happened. So, we got version 2 and version 17 here. And I'm going to turn the calculator on because we'll just guesstimate like something. Because these are like $5, I think, maybe $6. We got a coupon. No, we don't. Okay. Yeah, we do. Wait, no. I don't know. Okay. Another one. These are $8.99 for the entire box. This one is Pina Colada Liquid IV. Love Liquid IV. I do get it every so often. Lately, I've been getting it in the Walmart beauty boxes. They are $8.98 for a 6 count. So, $8.98 divided by 6 equals, this is $1.49. So, $1.50. Let's just be realistic. There's tax, right? Alright. And the next thing in here, in the version 2, is a coconut oil formula with vitamin E moisture protein pack for curl patterns and textures. So, I'm thinking this isn't for me. So, if you know someone who needs this, let me know. This is just I might just put it in a giveaway, or I'll see if I know someone who needs this, because I have a friend who their daughter might need this. But it's ×2 the coconut oil. Alright, and that says for a full size is, oh, okay, it's $1.47, so $1.47. So I guess that's what you buy it in, is like that. Alright, we have Hello Vegan Lip Balm, Broad Spectrum SPF, Sweet Mint with Coconut Oil. It's a full size. It's choose friendly, Sweet Mint. Oh, it does smell good. It's definitely this is an organic brand, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, it is an organic brand. This is for a full size, which this is $4.48. So plus $4.48. All right, we're gonna keep that. I hurt my neck. I'm not sure how, but I did. So that's why you see me turning weird. Usually I would just turn my head. I can't. The next thing we have is Ambi Black Soap with Shea Butter cleans and nourishes skin. Ambi Skincare. It says black soap bar with shea butter, gently clean and moisturize and condition your skin with a unique beauty bar that uses natural ingredients and goes beyond basic cleansing. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. I don't usually use bar soap. So we'll put that right there. Oh, it says, and you know that's a full size. It's $1.92. Alright. Then we have this skin cleanser by Citrophil. No, dry to normal skin. It's definitely like a travel size or a sample size. And it is 14 for 3 ounces. And this is 1 ounce. So it's like $3 or $4. I don't know. I'm not. My brain is not wanting to do that math. It's like 4 something. We're just gonna put $4.50. No, $4.25. No, you know what? We're just gonna say $4.50. I think that's close without having to go. And then we have Sagely Natural Strength Pain Care Relief Gel. 3 ounces is a full size, and this is not even an ounce. This isn't even like half an ounce. This is like 0.08. So the full size is $12.48, and this might work. I might need this for my neck tonight. Alright, so that was everything in the first box. It's not bad. You got 2 full-size products, possibly 3, because this says on the little thing that this is the full size. It says, yeah, 2.1 ounce. So this is a full size. So we got 3 full size products for $5. And one of the full-size products by itself is $4.58 or something like that. Alright, so that's not bad. That box is pretty decent. I think it's $5 or $6. So I'll put that over there. As usual, anything I don't use from these boxes will go in a giveaway eventually. Okay, this one is version 17. We have Summer Glow Up once again. And first thing I see is the Pina Colada Hydration IV. Oh, that box was worth around $14. So we're gonna go $1.50 for the Hydration IV thing. All right. The next thing I'm seeing in here is not listed. It looks like a Revlon eye palette color stay. I think these are like $4 or $5. It's like a full size. It's all matte, I think. So we'll put $4 just to be, you know what? Actually, it's Revlon and I believe that's $5. Let me know if I'm wrong. Alright, the next thing I have in here is Arm & Hammer Complete Care. Whole mouth protection, 3 times more plaque removal, ultra smooth. And it's fresh mint. And it's a travel size. Full size is 6 ounces. This is not 6 ounces, this is 0.9. So full size is $3.49. We're gonna say 50 cents. What is it they give it? This is like a travel size. Are those like $1? We're gonna put $1. Because I believe when you go to Walmart, they have that little travel area, and these kind of things are there. Another cleanser by Citrophil. I believe we said what, 4? No, it's $1. We're gonna put $1 plus 1. All right. Next thing we have is Tickle Your Senses Bic Soleil Escape Razors. A 3-pack, which is, oh, this is full size, $4.92. I'll let y'all know how these work. I've been looking for a good razor. But, oh, wait, this isn't full size. This is one razor. Okay, so this is 3 count is a full size. So one, they're $5, so what, $1.50? So plus 1.50. Okay. And then foil pack, shampoos. Pink shampoo for volumizing. Definitely not full size. I wouldn't even charge $1 for this. I'll probably put 75 cents. So this one was only worth about $10.75. Not as good as the other one, but not bad either. I mean, it has some neat looking stuff, and it has a full size palette if I got the price right. It's worth $10.75. So that was my 2 Walmart boxes. I will try to put the links below, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.